Omo, Ericsson, you don't know when to say I quit. Like, you don't know when to say I quit from football. What's all this one now, guy? Why not just retire and go and enjoy your money? What are you still playing football for? What do you play football for? You are a midfielder that everybody respects, everybody, like your memory, what you have done in midfield, in that position, in the world of football, is something nobody will forget so easily. So, who are you trying to still impress in football? I don't understand. Until you don't die for pitch, God forbid. What's your problem? Relax and go and enjoy your money with your family. The Gujota don't die now. Money when you make for football, you know if you chop them with your family again. And you are still alive, you know you have this kind of challenge. You don't want to resign for you to go and enjoy your money with your family. Till when you don't die for pitch. This is the second time now this thing is happening to you. And the wife, say for you marry, your wife, can she not tell you to quit? Or should they advise you, just one listing? Because I don't understand this thing. And FIFA, please, you should look into this thing. Don't tell this guy, make him resign for football, make him go rest. Before we hear another different story entirely. This thing now happened last time and then again now it's happening to you again. You don't want just quit. The money where you don't make, if you die, leave them now, which people want chop them? Like, when we talk about your position, midfield, your name go still there, no worry. We know you've bored from Tottenham to Inter Milan, from Inter Milan to Brentford, then to Man U. You don't bore, you don't make your name, So what else do you want? Please, just resign from football and just enjoy your money with your family. You get?